Hey y'all, hey, it's Karen Sawyer, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make some pool decor. This is very basic. It is easier than 1, 2, 3. All right, let's get this party popping. Alright, so I have inflated my clusters. I have 3 clusters, 11-inch rounds, and the first size is on my legenda. I have inflated it to 1.2. So this is about approximately 10 inches, and this next one is inflated to about a 0.9 on my legenda, and that's a little bit over 8 inches, so it's about 8.5. And then my next cluster I have is about 6 inches, and that was inflated to, I'm outside so I can't really see. I think I put it to 0. Oh, let me put on my glasses so I can see that, y'all. I don't know. All right, so that was inflated to 0.6 on my legenda. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie them by the necks. But before I do that, what I'm going to do, because this is going on the pool, we're going to be putting a big water weight down here. So what I want to do is I want a big pocket. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So let me turn this off. I go ahead and stack my 2 quads here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this down to the bottom. All right, let's see if I can do this. I'm outside, and I don't know if this table has any sharp edges. I've never worked on this table before. Let's just hope I don't pop anything. So we're going to pull up that pink one. Okay, that one is down. Pull that one up. I'm going to pull this one up. Pull this one up. And then we have to pull this one up. Okay, now we have to situate everything. Perfect. All right, now you see it's a bigger pocket. See, I can put my hand in there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the next layer on, but I'm going to just tie this one. Tie the next. But I'm going to tie it on the top of this quad. Okay. Don't let go, whatever you do. Straighten it again. Okay, now, before I put my water weight on, I have to put my topper. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Starburst. Let me go get it. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I have my topper here. And what I have here is a piece of monofilament on it because I had this as a ceiling piece, a ceiling decor, but I can just use it for what the application I'm doing now. But you can use a flattened 260, okay? So I'm just going to put this on the top. And I'm going to figure 8 this piece of monofilament. Let me lift the camera so you can see. Hey, y'all. All right. So I'm going to pull that in. Okay. All right. That is in. So what I'm going to do, because I don't need all this mixture, I'm going to just wrap it in a few times so I can conceal it, okay? Now, given that this was a piece I had used before, this one little piece of Starburst started to deflate, so I just wrapped it around a couple times to trap a little more air in it, okay? So now it is ready. You see? Make sure it's laying flat. It is ready for, let me put it on the ground. Make sure before I put this weight on that it's laying correctly. It should lay flat. Perfect. All right, so now it's laying flat. So now it's ready for the weight. All right, let me get the weight and I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's ready for the water wake. This is an 11-inch balloon. It's double stuffed, pre-inflated, and then filled with water. I would say this is approximately a 6 inches and filled with water to about 6 inches, okay? And then I'm going to use the nozzle to tie it in. If you want, you can use a flattened 260, tie it around underneath the knot, and pull it in, okay? All right, let me go ahead and show you how to do this. Let me get myself situated here. I'm gonna have a seat. Hopefully you can see. All right, so remember I said there's a pocket right there that should fit nicely into. I'm gonna wrap this in. And it's a scorcher, y'all. It's humid out here. So you gotta really tug. And because it's humid, the balloons are sticking, so I'm having a little trouble getting this in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause for a minute and I'm gonna grab a flattened 260 so that I don't have so much friction. All right, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, the sun just came out and this water is falling off of me. All right, let me see if I can get you closer. All right, let's see. I got my flattened 260. I folded it in half. I'm wrapping it around, pulling it through that loop. It's underneath that knot. And I'm gonna tie it in the knot. Woo, I'm sweating out here. Whew. Okay. All right, so this is gonna be my tying point. All right. All right, so it's on there now. All right, see? All right. All right, thank you for watching. And if you didn't see the pool balloon decor series videos, please go ahead and watch those. We'll tag them here somewhere in the tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.